shit black, 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 black like.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm not sure if you guys can actually hear me, but we've got a tape measurer. Actually, let me just pause the music because yeah. This video is really going to be like a short video just to do like a review of the hair growth, my rice water hair growth. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't do it, I wasn't consistent like every single day, but there were times where I actually let it sit for like as a deep conditioner, like just let it sit for like 2 days and wash my hair the next day. So it should be effective. So we're just going to measure, actually you're just going to go straight to the point and measure our growth. So I'm going to use what is this thing called? Wow, and I use it every day. Hey, what is this thing called? Damn, how can I not know what this is called? What is it? This is a measuring tape. So I'm gonna use a measuring tape to measure, to show you guys how to show you guys how much hair grew in the past 3 weeks to 4 weeks. You can say it's 4 weeks. Yeah, so if you guys also want to share like your hair growth, like if you guys actually went on this journey with me, I'm so excited because I can't wait to actually like take the braids out and actually do my hair, because like I had this hairstyle on just for this experiment. So I've been having this what is it called, braids, like singles, whatever you want to call it. Let's just zoom here. Yeah, so I've had this braid ends for that whole duration, because I felt like for me as a curly hair girl, it would be better to actually measure my hair growth by seeing how much it grew from the roots. I'm not sure if I'm making sense. So yeah, I just thought it made so much sense to see it like that. I chose to change positions because the sun was really in my face and I couldn't really see what I was doing. So I'm going to be using the measuring tape to just measure, to see from the roots, because remember I had my hair dyed, so obviously it was turning blackish, and like there's how you can really see like the growth from the hair. So basically, let's just start here so you guys can see like the difference, right? Where the black starts and like where the knot of the actual braid starts. So that's how I'm gonna measure my growth. And then yeah, I think that's the most honest way to do it, because yeah, and I just moisturized, and I didn't really do a lot of prep like on my hair when I was using the rice water, so I didn't want to also like use other products to jeopardize the actual growth and the use of the water. So what I usually had in my hair was like, I usually just sprayed my hair and just did my edges in the morning for work, and like basically that's all I did to my hair for these past 4 weeks. So yeah, we're going to measure in centimeters, and then yeah, basically that's all. That's the growth, girls. That's the growth, boys and girls. I didn't actually think about how I was gonna measure it, but let's start from here. So it stops here. So that's like about 4 centimeters in the front. And then I'm gonna try and see, there were some other parts of my hair that really grew. Okay, let's measure this one. I hope I'm being realistic with how I'm measuring it, because it literally stops here. So what I usually braid out, like braid from the tips, oh gosh, to here. I'm gonna start here just to be realistic. So yeah, basically I literally gained, you could say 4 centimeters is how much hair grew. So I'm not centimeter queen, but converting it, I think it's more or less like I think it's an inch. I'm not too sure, but I think it's around about an inch. So yeah, and obviously if you look at this, my hair is braided and you guys can actually see that it's more or less an inch. Believe that I grew more than 1 inch, just because of the way my hair feels. Like, it actually feels, I think, even besides length, I think what this rice water thing it did for me was like give me a little bit of volume, because I can literally feel how thick my braid are, how thick my braids became, and it's just so thick. It's like so thick and so rich, and I haven't applied anything, but it's like oily. It's giving oil, so evenly moisturized. And yeah, I think it's something that if I'm consistent with, and if I can just use it more or less into like my hair routine, even when I have braids in, using it to wash my braids and to rinse my braids, yeah, like use it as part of like my wash routine, I think that would be very productive, and I would see like a long-term progress. So does rice water really work? For me personally, I feel like it does work, and everybody's hair is different. So some people will gain a lot of length, and some people will gain a lot of thickness, because our curl patterns are different, and our hair textures are different. So I might think that I only grew 1 inch, but when I do my hair and I like comb my hair out and everything, it looks bigger, you know what I mean? So yeah, and I think I'm gonna do a before and after of my fro, and then like just show you guys how it looks like now. But I think I'm going back to black. I'm gonna dye my hair back to black. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. But overall, I think this experience was really like fun in terms of discipline and like self-discipline of like, girl, you need to make sure that what am I saying? You need to make sure that you carry out like what you said you're going to do. So here we are. This is the final stretch. I'm so excited. I just feel like I graduated, because like completing something is the most amazing feeling one can ever have. Even if it's the smallest things, you have to give yourself a pat on your shoulders, sweeties. Wow, sweeties, you need to give yourself a pat of congratulations, because girl, it's a commitment right there. It's a 4 weeks relationship, honey. That's the longest that's shady, but some people don't last 4 weeks. So you did this, mama. You did this. Alrighty. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video, and probably like see you guys later on. But if not, thank you guys for watching. Leave a comment on your experience and what you know about rice water, and like just general hair talks, anything that you want to say. You can drop a comment in the section down below. So yeah, that's about it. I'm so excited. I can't wait to get my hair done. I think also really like just straightened my hair. I really like how my hair looks right now and feels. So yeah, see my curl patterns looking cute. So yeah, see you guys next time. Bye.